What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, and we got an update as far as for the Idoing radio. So we about to get into that on this video. So sit back. Hopefully this stuff works out for me. I'm really hoping it does. Hopefully it fixes my issue. But let me stop playing with y'all. Let's get in the car and let's dig into this. All right, y'all. So here we go. So I reached out to Idoing, and I said, I just took a shot at it. I said, let me send these guys an email. So I sent them an email. They got ways you can call them by number, but you know, it's like super long distance, man. So sent them an email, and cool as hell, they responded right back. And they asked me a few questions. They sent me some screenshots of what I need to look for on the radio, and I sent them back that information. And what they did was they sent me a YouTube video of how to pretty much update it. They sent me an update for it, which I downloaded onto a flash drive right here. And the video pretty much shows you how to go through the steps on that. So I will link that in the video. I mean, in the description box. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this out. So basically, all I gotta do is connect this up, connect the USB to the car link USB connector that goes to the radio, and you just turn your ignition to on to accessory mode, and from accessory mode you leave it on and let it do its download, and I'm gonna show y'all all that process. So hopefully it looks exactly like the video and nothing gets messed up and we have a better situation. So the video pretty much explains how to do everything. Let me quit gabbing off at the mouth and let's see. All right, y'all, so here we go. So basically I get my flash drive that I downloaded, because they sent me a website. I'm not gonna really give y'all that information, because if your radio is nothing like mine, you just gotta email them and they'll ask you for certain information. You give them that information, they'll send you the correct one for whatever you have. But we're gonna plug this into the CarLink USB connector. Okay, we in there. And now the next thing we gotta do is we gotta put the car in accessory mode. Now, important thing, like the guy said in the video, is don't turn the car off. Leave it in accessory mode until this whole process is done. So here we go. I'm gonna put the car in accessory mode, and it should be saying something at the top here. There it is. It says external storage devices are being installed. So at that point, firmware detected update. So let's go start. So it's going to reboot, so now it's going to start through that process. Okay. Let's see what it's going to do here. This is already different than what. Oh, there we go. So we got it. It came onto there. Okay. So I'm just going to take it through the whole process so y'all see everything that's happening. Okay. So now it's got the little installing system update. Now the guy on the video said something about a FAT 20 and all of that stuff, and I don't know. All I did was download what Idoing sent to me, put it on the flash drive, and I put it on the empty flash drive just in case, because if anything, your computer's gonna ask you to format. So it's gonna either tell you to do it or not. It didn't. It downloaded to it, and that was it. And after that, I just plugged it in like y'all just seen, and here we are. So now it's installing the system update. And man, I gotta tell y'all, dude, the customer service from these companies, man, this is why, if you got a company and you reach out to them and they contact you fast, dude, customer service is everything, especially for me, because if I have an issue, I wanna be able to reach out. Most cases, talk to somebody, but if you email them and they get back to you quick, man, that's still the same thing. And these guys have been ready to help me out the entire time. So I really appreciate that, man. So it's a nice head unit, man. And they got excellent customer service too. You can't go wrong. So hopefully this solves my issue. But I'm thinking I might have to jailbreak my phone just so I can get the latest update. I let them know that information too, that I did have an older phone with an older update, and I let them know the update that's on the OS that's on my iPhone 5S So this is what they sent me. So let's see if this works. But I still might have to do it, but I don't know. I'm just babbling away at the mouth, man. Anyway, let's see what this thing is gonna do. So it's gonna be kind of a boring video, but like I said, if anyone else is having this issue, this is letting you know exactly what's gonna happen. There we go. And there it is. It's doing all the stuff like on his, it was like the other direction, but hey, it's doing the same thing. So it's extracting all of the updated information. I'm sure it's putting in all of the apps and all of that stuff. So now this should tell me, it'll tell you when to disconnect the device. It should tell you, but let's see. So far, it's doing everything it's supposed to do. Hopefully y'all enjoying this music. I got it turned up for y'all, man. This will update, remove devices. Okay, so now it's telling me to remove the device. Okay, we have removed the device, unplugged it, as you guys can see. And now it's booting up again. So now I'm still leaving the car on. Don't turn it off. Leave it in accessory mode. And let's see what happens next. So now it's booting up again. And there it's going through that. So right now it's not taking too much time. This is like I said, this is real time. I'm not gonna speed it up or anything. I'm just gonna let y'all see exactly what's happening. The play-by-play. And look like that's it. It's good to go, I guess. Let's see here. So we should have the latest updated firmware. So what I'm going to do here now is find where my cord is. Hold on, let me put this camera somewhere real quick. I'm sitting up here holding it in my hand. All right, so now let's plug in the phone here. Let's see what happens. That's there. Okay, we're there. So let's go here. It's trying to connect right now. Oh, let me make sure I'm doing my part here. Okay. Allow. Okay, hold on. Woo. You gotta be careful there. I don't want to get no copyright strikes, but it look like it's all connected up right now. So I'm gonna leave this thing in here. And now, like I say, the test for me is gonna be to turn the car off and see what it does, or if it'll connect to it. I'll connect back. So I'm gonna leave it connected up in there. But it's already doing what it's supposed to do here. This is how it's supposed to look. Usually, like I said, I'll be on Bluetooth, but that's it. So now, turn the car off. I'll turn it off accessory mode, turn it off, and then turn it back on accessory mode, and let's see what happens. So now look at it, it's trying to connect again like it was before. And like I said, I got the latest update on here, but what may wind up happening is I may have to jailbreak the phone. So I'm probably gonna go through that process. So, all right, now I see it's taking a while to connect, but they told me I should be WRX Daily told me I should give it some time. Hold on, let me make sure it's not asking me to do anything on the phone. Nope, it's not. All right. And there it is. Oh man. And it connected. It didn't take too long. It took a few seconds, but we connected in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a couple of days and I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna see how it works. And then I'll update you guys. And if I wind up having to jailbreak the phone, maybe I'll take y'all through that process too. So I'll get back to y'all in a few days. All right, y'all, we are a few days, really 5 days into the future. And let me show you what I got since I've done the update. Let me show you where I'm at with it. So now, it's a few days after I updated the head unit. Let me turn the car on. And then let's see. See now, right now, see it comes back to this screen. But as y'all remember last time, it just stayed on that screen. I mean, it stayed on there for like 15, 20 minutes and it would never connect. And then after the fact, it would start connecting. It will be just a black screen and that's all I would get. And I would just have to go straight to Bluetooth. But now it does this. It says it's connecting, verification approved. It does this for like maybe a minute or so. And then it kicks on. So that's way better than it did before. So there it is. The update really worked for it, man. Reaching out to Idoing, they emailed me right back. They let me know. I told them a situation about the phone. I haven't even had to freaking do anything with the phone. You know, as far as like I told y'all, jailbreak. All right, so let me turn this off. So now some of the info that they asked me for. So whenever you email them, they're gonna ask you, they're probably gonna send you a screenshot like they sent me, but they're gonna wanna know what version of the software the OS that you're dealing with. So let's go back to home position. You're gonna go settings and you're gonna go to systems and then about device. So you go to about device and it tells you everything they need to know: the build numbers, system info, system application, CPU. Scroll it up a little bit and really they're gonna be looking for the MCU version. So that's the version they're gonna want to know and all of that stuff. The serial number. You're gonna send them pictures of this, all of that. And another thing that I looked up as well is device info. And then I actually sent them a screenshot of this too, so they can have that information as well. So I sent that information to Idoing. And then, like I said, they sent me the video to how the last person did the update on there. So they sent me that. I watched the video, and then that's when we, went through the process what we went through before. Like I showed you guys, is us doing that. So hold on, let me get outside the car because it's hot in here, and then we'll talk more. So again, man, big thank you and big shout outs goes to WRX Daily for them helping me and giving me things that I can try, and then Idoing as well. They are a stand-up company. Let me take this off my ears because I feel like I'm yelling. I mean, they stand by their product. If you have an issue, they are there to help you. They are willing to help you, man. And for them to send me the update and how to do it all, it was very easy. It took like 5 minutes. Like when y'all saw that, it was the real time. I didn't speed it up, do none of that. I just let it go. No cuts, no edits. It's just that. So that's how long it takes. And it updated. Oh, you know what? It's something else that I didn't show y'all that it does also. So whenever I put the car in reverse, before it was just a screen and it showed all the other stuff. But now I'm guessing if your car supports it. So let me show you guys this. It's pretty cool. So you go in reverse. Oh, car got to be on. So now it does that. It has this little car on the side and it has the little sensors there. So if you got all of that, those sensors on the car, it'll show you. And I guess these will light up a little or to activate those as well. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty dope. But like I said, the update did that. So whenever I did the update, that's what it did. That was part of the update. So again, guys, man, it's been a ride with this install, but ultimately I'm happy with how the car sounds. Man, the Idoing head unit it looks super nice, and it really improves the sound of the car. So now I don't have stock speakers in it anymore. I did a kicker upgrade, so I upgraded those. The only thing it did with the stock system is it made it clearer, But this, I'm getting some nice bass. I can control it a little bit. And you guys just got to play around with the equalizer, which is, it's a lot to deal with, but play around with it. You can play with the bass, all of that other stuff, man. If y'all want, y'all got to let me know in the comments, and I can just show y'all what I did and how I changed mine around to kind of really improve the way the bass and everything sounds in the car. But I'm very happy with how the car sounds right now. I don't really think it needs anything else. 100% happy. Again, thank you to Idoing and WRX Daily for helping me out and having good customer service throughout my entire process. So again, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all if y'all made it this far into the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. And hey man, it don't cost you nothing to subscribe, and it supports your boy. I see a lot of y'all out there that's watching the videos but not subscribed, man. It will really help out the channel a lot if you just click that subscribe button, man. That'd be freaking awesome, man. But until then, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Make sure you hit all so you get notified whenever I put out another video. And until that next video, y'all, peace.